how to buy 4444 token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 11 hours ago and it creates by 4,000% held last 24 hours. And this token trending #1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, we will use the pancake swap. Now, first of all, connect your wallet. Now, select your wallet from here. If you can't see your wallet here, click on more to expand this. Now, after you select your wallet, I will use the MetaMask for that or OKX for that, as you can see. So after you connect your wallet, if you can see your token here, go back to the token page on the screener and now click here to copy the token address. Now go back to PancakeSwap and click here and paste the token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Now click on import. Now click on I understand. Now click on import again. So after that, from the top you can select the token that you want to buy it, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see next to it. Now after that, click on swap and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy 4444 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe and see you next video.